Today's it's the 2nd of June, isn't it?
I have no idea. Yeah, you good to go?
Good evening, everybody. We're here, I think this is the 2nd of June, 2020 in County Armagh. We've got a really very special engine here. This is a single cylinder Gardner. They're known as the 1L2. You can see the L2 embossed here on the block. Now, the L2 was the first ever proper diesel engine, commercially viable diesel engine, announced by Gardner in 1929 at the World Trade Fair in London. So this is where it all started. This is the start of the Gardner success story. So as you can see, it's a particularly simple engine. You've got a very, very simple injector pump here. You've got a cam box here with a governor here that's controlling the speed of the engine. It's started by hand, although it is actually possible to fit an electric starter to them if desired. So to start them, we swing the engine with this starting handle which I made. It's not original, but it's fine. It works fine. You can see this cutout here engages in a pin here on the shaft. If I rotate that round, you'll see it goes in, rotates on the pin, and that will turn the engine. But whenever the engine fires up, this incline here shoots the handle back out again. And we can decompress the engine to start her here. What other features have we got? Well, as you can see, it's a very heavy flywheel and a very heavy base plate. Now, whenever we do start her, we can't run her for very long because she might go for a wee walk here. Our yard has a wee bit of an incline in it, so she might go for a walk. So we can't run her for very long. Also, you won't be able to hear me whenever she starts up. On here, normally we might have a small generator or perhaps a water pump or something like that. Now, all along, I have maintained that the Gardner engine, because of its simplicity, because of its reliability, is ideal for use in remote areas where there's not a lot of access to technical expertise. But the 1L2, the single cylinder, is particularly simple and particularly suited to remote areas because there's no electrics involved at all. You just start her by hand. So that's why I admire these engines so much. She's got conventional centrifugal type water pump on here. So we could join this up to a radiator on here, or in a marine environment, we could join it up to a heat exchanger. We've got the normal thermostat housing here, which will control the temperature. So that's it. There's just a single injector in here, which is essentially the same as the LW injector. There's very little difference. Okay, maybe we'll try and start her now. As I explained, we won't run her for very long for a variety of reasons. So this engine has actually sat in our workshop now for a few years, not been started. We just dug her out this afternoon, and she started really without very much bother at all. I mean, I'm 70 years of age, almost 70 years of age, and I don't have a lot of strength, but you'll see I can start her without too much bother. For today. We stop her now. And you'll see, because of the weight of the flywheel, how long it takes her to stop. That's why it's so important that engines is like this, I bolted down on the ground. This is not bolted at all, it's just sitting there. But you can see she's still very, quite smooth running at her normal revs. That's just to show you how easy she would restart again if I let her. Beautiful.